When the night grows silent, and the shadows begin to breathe, when you hear something. But you know you are alone, you have entered Darki Dunia. A world where every story feels real, every whisper hides a secret, and every knock might be your last. So turn off the lights. Put on your headphones. And remember, not every story is just a story. Daniel never believed in ghosts. He believed in broken pipes, loose windows, and overactive imaginations. That's why when he rented the old countryside house outside of town, he ignored the realtor's strange warning. Whatever you hear at night, don't answer the door after raat ke 3 baje. The first week was quiet. Too quiet, no neighbors, no street lights. Just miles of forest and silence. On the 8th night, Daniel woke up at exactly 3:03 a.m. Knock. 3 slow, deliberate knocks at his front door. He sat up in bed, heart pounding. Who would be out here at this hour? He checked his phone. No signal. The knocks came again. Knock. Slow. Heavy. Patient. Daniel grabbed a flashlight and walked downstairs. The house felt colder than usual. The air thick. He reached the front door. Hello, he called. Silence. He looked through the peephole. No one. Just darkness and the faint outline of the dirt road. He let out a nervous laugh. Wind, he muttered. As he turned away. Knock. This time, from behind him. From the back door. His stomach dropped. The back door led to the forest. No roads. No paths. Nothing. He slowly walked toward it. Every step felt heavier. He didn't look through the window this time. He just unlocked it. And opened it. The forest was still. Completely silent. Too silent. Then, he noticed something in the mud near the doorway. Footprints. Bare. Human. Leading out of the house. Not into it. His blood ran cold. Before he could process it, knock. Knock upstairs. From his bedroom door, Daniel froze. He was downstairs. The house was supposed to be empty. The knocking continued. Slow. Rhythmic. Almost polite. He whispered to himself, this isn't real. Then his phone buzzed in his hand.